Onshape is proud to announce the release of PCB Studio Beta, a set of tools that enables collaboration between ECAD and ECAD design. Physical PCB layouts can be created early in the conceptual design cycle, and along with context-based keep-in and keep-out areas or volumes, immediately shared with the individual or team responsible for the ECAD design. In this example, the main board has been created in the context of the handset assembly, and an in-context copy of the display is added to that layout, defining a keep-out. It is then synchronized with the board layout in PCB Studio and shared. PCB Studio's library is where basic and detailed model data is stored for the various components which make up a circuit board assembly. Library administrators define the location of the library folder, as well as those who have access to it. The primary function of the library is the definition of both physical and property data for those components which populate a board, anytime PCB assembly data is synchronized with PCB Studio. In this manner, automatic substitutions can take place, reducing workload and improving efficiency, letting designers and engineers focus on design. Once a design has developed to the point where the physical relationships between the ECAD and ECAD designs are ready to be checked, circuit board assembly data is read by PCB Studio. Any component substitutions previously defined in the library, such as those made for the B3U switches, are made. If needed, additional component substitutions can easily be made on the fly, and Onshape's familiar insert dialog is used to both locate and select those components. Once all the desired substitutions have been made, PCB Studio creates the part studio for the board, as well as the board assembly itself. Mate connectors, group mates, as well as any of the other assembly tools can be utilized, and the completed circuit board is then inserted into the assembly. Any additional components required, such as the antenna, are added, and the assembly is checked for fit and finish. A visual inspection shows that the USB connector on the circuit board and the connector port in the enclosure are out of alignment. There is also an interference detected between the antenna and the inside surfaces of the antenna cover. Switching to the circuit board assembly, the position of the components on the board itself are quickly updated to resolve these issues. Alternatively, assembly mate and in-context relationships can easily be defined between components on the board and those features of the enclosure that the board interfaces with. Once any potential conflicts between these components is resolved, the updated circuit board assembly is synchronized with the data in PCB Studio and then shared with those responsible for the ECAD design. Onshape PCB Studio Beta, your solution for collaborative ECAD and ECAD design.